Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Rod Slingshot from Ice Cream. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw. So here's my sketch underneath, and this one is pretty much like a bubble letter, kind of like just like a Y bubble letter. So let's start out by drawing the handle first. So I'm going to start right here, just kind of draw 2 lines going straight down, and I'll make it a little bit wavy just to make it look like a tree branch. Now that we have the handle, let's draw in the top. So right on the tip right here, I'm just going to curve up. Okay, so it's like a giant Y. And then from here, slant inwards. And then now on the inside here, we're gonna come back down following this curve, but we'll just round it out so we can connect to the other side. Okay, so just connect this. So again, it's pretty much like a letter Y. Alright, and then now for the details, for the little strap right here, just come into the tip here and draw 2 lines first. And then let's add some line in between. So this is going to be some kind of wrapping for the rubber band. Alright, so now for the rubber band, I'm going to start in the middle here. I'm going to come down all the way to this point here. So I'm just gonna add in, again, just make it a little bit wavy. Okay, so that's one side, and then for the other side, start in the middle here. And this one will give it a little bit more curve. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same like this. I'm just trying to draw kind of like 2 rubber bands. I'll make this a little bit thicker as well. Alright, so now that we have the ends of the rubber bands right here, I'm going to draw 1 curve connecting them. Okay, and then from this 2 point here, draw another curve, but make it a little bit wider on the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to add a couple lines in here, just to make it look like cloth. And that's pretty much it for the whole shape of this slingshot. If you want to add in some details to make it look like wood, and add in some lines all the way around here. Alright, so that is it for this very easy to draw slingshot. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.